Hi, hello everyone. I am super excited today because I just received my very first package of designer jeans. This package right here is from Good American. I am so excited. If you've never heard of Good American Jeans before, they are a designer jean brand that is partly owned by Khloe Kardashian. And their jeans are known for their impressive compression, fits, stretch, and recovery. So I'm going to open this bag to show you which jeans I got, and then I'm going to try them on for you, and tell you my measurements and stats. So let's get into opening this first. So it comes in this plastic bag, and I'm going to cut it open. See what they look like in the first impression. I'm super excited. Okay, each one comes nicely wrapped. So this is the first pair. And this looks like it's the, which one? Oh, this is the Good Icon. And I'll tell you more about the fits. Oh, oh, nice. Super nice. So right off the bat, this is quality. Oh my gosh. The denim is slightly stretchy and thick. These are good. Wow, look at the back pockets. Dart for shape. Oh, wow, nice. Very nice. So far, I'm impressed. Okay, let's put that one down. Ah, this is my skincare. This is what is this? Good, Good Legs Code Jeans. This pair right here. This is in the shade Malbec. Oh my god, I fell in love with this burgundy color. It's almost black. And these are skinnies, so look like. And they're also coated to look like they're leather, so but they're not leather, they're just coated. Oh, oh, it's like oxford. Oh my gosh, they feel like they feel silky. I wish you could feel stuff through the camera. Wow, these are beautiful. Even the hardware is oxblood. Oh, this, it's so red, it's almost eggplant purple red. It's, wow, it's hard to see. It looks more red on camera than it does in person. In person, it's like a purple, red, blue, black. Oh, they're beautiful. I can't wait to try these on. They're so amazing. Okay. The last pair I got is the Good Classic Straight. So these are, I love how you can actually see, you see the label right here, you can read what you bought. I've never seen anyone do that before. Usually it's a number and it doesn't correspond to the name of anything. So that's really nice. Okay. Nice. Look at, oh my gosh. This is so nice. I'm sure you can see the pockets are high and angled. That's good. This yoke is V, and that's also good. That'll make your butt look good. Oh my gosh. These are classic styling. All right. Now I'm going to stand up readjust my camera so I can show you what my measurements are and compare it to the size chart on Good American for the size that I purchased. All of my jeans have been purchased in a size 2. So, let me show you. According to Good American size chart, the size 2 has a 26.5-inch waist and 37-inch hips. Now, my measurements never correspond to the size chart, ever. I am petite, which means I'm only 5'2". That has nothing to do with your weight, by the way. That has to do with your height. That's what they mean by petite. So you can be petite and a curvy plus size, or you can be petite and very much petite and tiny, like I am. So it really has nothing to do with your weight or your measurements. It's your height and how they correspond to the clothing. These clothes are designed for somebody over 5'5". So I am 5'2". And so the inseams on me will be different than somebody on 5'5". So for a size 2, according to their size chart, you should have a 26.5-inch waist and 37-inch hips. Again, I'm 5'2". I weigh 110 pounds. My waist is 26.5 inches. And my hips are, you're supposed to stand with your hips, your feet hip width apart, and you measure your hips. And it should be 7 inches down from your waist. So, me, that's right at the widest part of my hip, which is right there. And you measure. My hips are 36.5 inches. So I'm a little smaller, actually 36 inches. Okay. So I'm smaller than what their size chart recommends around the hips. So these should fit me. Start with the Good Classic right here. I'm going to slip these on. These look smaller than me, but they should stretch, so I'll be back. Okay. Let's adjust the camera a little so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So, this is the Good Classic Slim Straight. These are high rise, and I'd say they're a little under my belly button, so I wouldn't consider these a high rise. I consider them a mid rise. They are a slim fit. I would definitely say slim fit. I love it. Now this pair has a 28-inch inseam, which on me is right at the top of my ankle. So they are a good length for me at 28 inches. And boy, do these get the figure. Wow. Make sure the pockets are straight. I mean, and I'd say I picked the right size. The 2 is definitely not too small around my waist. Definitely has room through the hip. This is a good fit. Oh my gosh. And they are definitely booty shaping. Make your butt look good. I'm telling you. Okay, so another important thing to test. Gap proof. Yes. I would definitely say that these are a gap-proof waistband. I'm impressed. There is definitely wiggle room in their measurements because this is great. My waist is about 1/2 inch bigger than they said, and oh yeah. Oh, I love them. Ugh, I think these are my favorite jeans. I think I'm going to be getting rid of even more jeans in my closet. I have a purge video of my denim coming up, and I found my denim brand. Yes, I will be purchasing more when they have more clearance sales at 50% off. Because when they go on sale and then they have an extra 50% off, you're not spending more than $35 to $55 for a pair of jeans, and these are worth that price. Would I pay full price for them? Only if I had the money to actually pay full price for them. Yes. Yes, I would, but I don't. So it's clearance, and these are so beautiful. All right. I'm dying to try on my next pair, so I will be back. Okay, these are the Good Legs coated skinny jeans in the shade Malbec. I I love this color. I can't express enough how much I love this color, and these are so soft. They're literally soft. They're not. I can't describe the fit of these jeans enough. Like the denim is substantial, but it's not heavy and it's not stiff. It's got like a nice weight heft to it without being stiff and hard like some traditional denim is. And the cut, oh my god, look at the cut. Now these are supposed to be a mid-rise. And they're the same rise as the other one, which is supposed to be high rise, which is interesting. I know that those two have are supposed to be different, but I'd say that the rise on this is just as high as the first pair I put on. So keep that in mind if you're looking for high rise, because these are mid rise, and these are hitting me at the same place as the other one, which is supposed to be high rise. So it seems like those two terms are subjective. They are anyway. But to me, a high rise is supposed to be up at my waistline, and these are just below. It's a good spot. It's a good spot. I have a short torso, so I'm not complaining. Wow, these, God, okay. This pair has no front pockets. Does have back. That's fine. That's fine. That makes it slim. Oh my God. How it slims you out. I have a pooch because I've had babies, so I'm working on it. Makes it again, but look good. And I like the instant length on me, which is great. These are 29-inch. Perfect. Perfect for me because I'm, again, petite. So these shorter lengths, if you're petite, don't worry about them because they will be a good length for you. I'm 5'2" again, so moving on. All right, so this pair is the one that started it all. These are their Icon Super Compression jeans, and if you can see, they have 2 rows of buttons. They have a zipper, and then they have a row of snaps right here. And that is so you can determine how much compression you want. You can tighten them up or release them. So this is what it looks like with the zipper. See, there's a zipper right there. And now, this is what they look like with the snaps, buttons right there. You see that? And do you think there's a difference? Do I look even more flattened and snatched? What do you think? I can tell you that as I was buttoning these up, I definitely thought that they were going to be too small, but they are not. They don't hurt, they don't cut in, they're still extremely comfortable. And even though these are a 32-inch inseam, I'm not going to shorten them. I like the length. 32 inches is a little long on me, but that's okay. I don't mind a puddle. It's okay. Once I put on my shoes, these will be great. I have a longer leg inseam. My inseam is actually 30 inches. I've got long legs and long arms to be petite, so people have a tendency to think that I'm taller than I am, but I'm only 5'2" when I get measured and right at 5'2". So, oh gosh, these jeans. Oh, I'm in love. These are great.
These are so nice. Okay, let me get my stool. Actually, I'm going to stand here and tell you my final thoughts. I am so impressed. The sizing is consistent. The quality is magnificent. These are good. The size 2, you don't have to worry too much if your measurements don't quite match up, because these are super, super forgiving and they make you look, oh my God, just great. Just, yeah. I like this. Highly recommend. 2 thumbs up for Good American Jeans. I'm happy. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.